Hello everyone, I am Winga. This year happens to be my alma mater, South China Normal University's 90th anniversary, so I thought about going back to school to shoot a short film. Now it's graduation season. This means some students may want to capture some campus videos. Hopefully this video can also give you some inspiration. The beginning of the story is about a new me who was taken to school, living an interesting campus life. And then graduating at the end of the story, I changed into my graduation gown. I snapped the camera onto my chest. Then the point of view has also changed from third person to first person, reliving campus life from the first person view. So the whole video is actually a loop. I don't know if you can see it. To capture pan shots like this, we just need to stick our finger out and rotate the camera. That's it. The final effect is like operating a panoramic map. Or you can attach the camera to your chest, keeping your fingers pointed. It is also possible to rotate your body with the camera attached. The magnification effect is similar to pan shot. Make a zoom in gesture while moving forward, then speed it up in post-production. But if the distance is too far, your hands might shake and the effect won't look clean. So I recommend everyone to use a green screen for this effect, then take a separate hyperlapse using the camera and forward movement. It is easier to combine the shots post-editing. If you think the green screen is too troublesome, there is an even simpler effect to capture. It's fixed camera shooting. First, capture the actor doing something, then capture a shot of your hand alone. Then draw simple strings in post-production. You can make such an interactive effect. This time, I used the newest Insta360 Action Camera Go 3 to shoot. It adds a flip screen for you to easily check your camera position. If you are too far away and can't see the screen clearly, you can also pull out the camera from the action pod. This way you get a wireless monitor screen. You can also connect Go 3 to your phone to review your shot. Last time I did a stop motion effect video and everyone found it difficult to capture, so this time I simplified it. Shooting with a fixed camera, move step by step as evenly as possible. Then through the post acceleration and frame extraction, you can achieve such a stop motion effect. The possibilities are limitless. For example, the actor does the same motion for each row. Then capture a frame in each row of desks while the camera is fixed. When pieced together, you can create this effect of bouncing the actor back and forth between desks. Using Freeframe Mode on Go 3 shoots in a circular frame that in the later stages can be exported in different ratios without losing quality. I can do these spatial rotations similar to the effects in Inception. The filming process for this is actually quite complicated. If you want to learn this effect, you are welcome to leave a comment and a like, and I'll see if I can make a detailed tutorial for this shot. So that is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching to the end. If you happen to want to shoot a campus video or a travel video, I recommend you try out using Insta360 GO 3 and try out some of the techniques I showcased in this video. See you next time!